So you're welcome back to the part 3 on how to apply color. Alright, so if you have not watched the first part, the second part, go and watch it before coming to this. The link will be under this video. So you color pick your color from the clothes, and then I'll try to toggle the color. Is that okay? Yeah, let's see other complementary colors that can go with the one in the suit itself. Okay, so let me try all these colors. So if your own Autodesk doesn't have Copic colors, just go to my Telegram channel. You'll be able to download it there. Just check the pinned messages. Then Remin is there and Autodesk sketchbook application. So just download any version you want. Then your Copic is set. After downloading it, don't update it until I instruct you to. Okay. So now let's say the color, the blue color we can use for the clothes. Okay. So we have many blue colors actually. So let's try out if this will be good. Let's use our inky pen. Alright, so you create a new layer under the sketch. Alright, then begin by applying the colors. Hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm applying the colors right now. Alright, so don't let it go out of the sketch. That is why you sketched at first. Okay, so if you don't sketch, then you can just do it freehand and then you determine where your artwork stops by the color. But now you have sketched, so the applying colors should be easy for you actually. Alright, so let's continue doing this. So you just make sure you apply the colors round, and then you pick your fill to color, then you fill the colors. Make sure everything is joined together so that the color will not leak out. Alright, so what's the color we should apply next? Okay, let's see a lighter blue color, and then just toggle around with it, and then let's put color on our tie. Is that okay? You can see I'm not drawing out the pattern of the tie because I want to create my own suit and at the same time another tie with the same size, the same sketch, but actually different pattern and fabrics. Alright, so you can see how to do that in this tutorial video. Okay, so you just alight it around. You can see this place is going out, so I will have to erase it and then continue applying my colors. Alright, so just do it around the sketch. The sketch is just there to guide you for now. Is that okay? There are shortcuts we can use. Okay, just let's do it manually. Let's do it manually. Okay, the color is going out. Alright, so let's continue applying the colors. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, so close it here, and then you can use your fill box and then fill that area. let's see the color we can apply next. So just toggle with the background so that you can apply white color, all right, on the underwear. Okay, so let's use our selection tool on the suit, on the outwear, and then the tie, so that we can easily apply that white color without going round and round and round over and over again. You understand? So with this now, we can just apply the color, and then we don't need to be zooming in, zooming out all of the time. You know, so the color will not have effect on that suit and the tie. You understand? So it's just like a code. All right, so you can backward the video if you don't understand what I did. It's just my tool that I used, so the color will not have effect on another part. Is that okay? So now use your add eraser to erase the areas you don't need. All right, so you just have to check the colors and see the ones that will possibly work for you. You can see with I using this selection, it will not have effect on the other areas I have put my color. Is that okay? So if you don't understand it, just backward the video and watch how to use this selection. So it can't be used without you putting a color in replacement for that space you are trying to spare on another layer. You understand? So all this color now, it cannot have effect on that spec, it cannot have effect on that cloth. All right, so it cannot have effect on that leaves. It will only have effect on areas that are not busy with color. All right, so even if your color is there and you don't select it, then it will still have effect on it. But despite the fact that I have selected it, you see I can put my color freely. It will have no effect. Can you see that it will have no effect? It will only be putting that color on areas that the color is not applied. Let's use a soft eraser, just to make some beauty to it. Blend a part in heat so that it can be as if it's going inside. Alright, so just blend it very, very well. Okay, so thank you for watching. The next tutorial now will be smudge painting, which will conclude this tutorial video. Thank you for watching.